What is up? Welcome to this video. So in this video we are going to build a simple TCP server in Python. So we'll show you the code in the next episode, the next slide, so that you can understand exactly what's happening. You can pause the video at that point so that you can take it to yourself and run it in your VS Code to see how it works. So Python socket library simplifies TCP server creation. The TCP servers enable reliable ordered data transmission between computers, and even beginners can implement a functional server with minimal code. For the core requirements: 1. You import a socket library, you create a socket object, and then you bind to address. Listen for connections, and then handle client data. That's how simple it is. So step-by-step implementation guide. So by implementing a socket library, you begin with import socket, okay, to access networking functionality, and then secondly you do create socket object, where you use this code here for IPv4 TCP connections, and then you bind to address. By assigning an address and port with bind host port with this code right there, you can do that by binding it to the address using the code. So you listen for connections, you do call listen 5 to queue up to 5 client connections, and then we have handle clients. Use accept receive 1024 and sender for client communication. So here's a block of code you can use to just pause the video at the point when you need this to try and check how it works. Okay, check how it works in VS Code. So we have the import socket at the top, we create the socket objects code, and then we define host and port, bind to the port. So try it out. Let's see how it went for you.